In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails using HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your communications and make the most out of HubSpot's capabilities, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure that you have a solid understanding of how it all works. To begin our journey, first, we'll head over to the HubSpot Trial Guide. You can find this by navigating to the designated link or simply searching for HubSpot's Trial Guide section. Once there, you'll be introduced to the HubSpot environment, which offers various features aimed at optimizing your sales and marketing efforts. Today, our focus is on one-on-one emails, a fundamental feature for maintaining those crucial personal connections with your clients. Moving on, the next step is to click on Contacts. In HubSpot, the Contacts section is essentially your directory of leads, customers, and other essential contacts. It's user-friendly and provides a comprehensive view of your existing connections. Make sure you familiarize yourself with this section, as it's the hub where you'll manage and interact with your communications. By selecting Contacts, you'll be able to browse through your list of contacts and decide who you'll be reaching out to. For demonstration purposes, let's proceed by selecting a specific contact, such as a sample contact named Brian Halligan. By clicking on a contact's name, you access their detailed view. Here, you'll find all the relevant information and communication history associated with them. This is particularly useful for tailoring your emails to align with past interactions and current needs. It's always a good practice to review this information to ensure your emails are personalized and informed. Now, after you've opened Brian Halligan's contact record, look for the Email button and click on it. This action will take you to the email composition window within HubSpot. Crafting an email here is straightforward, much like using any other email interface, but with the added advantage of tracking and integration features offered by HubSpot. Make sure to compose your message clearly and concisely, adding any necessary documents or links relevant to your conversation. At this point, you're set to send your email. Hit the send button, and your message will be on its way. Additionally, HubSpot allows you to track email opens, link clicks, and replies, giving you insights into how your communication is being received. Replying to emails follows a similar process. When you receive an email from a contact, you'll find it within the contact record. Click on the email to open it and choose Reply to begin drafting your response. As always, personalize your reply based on the context available in the contact's history and adjust your language and content to meet their specific needs. I hope this guide was helpful in explaining how to use HubSpot to send and reply to one-to-one emails. Whether you're following up on a lead or maintaining regular client communication, HubSpot provides a powerful and user-friendly platform to manage your interactions efficiently.